Happy birthday, Mother. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, te. I love you. I miss you so much. Sana kanunay katagaan o blessing sa Ginoo. Kanunay katagaan maing lawas. Labi na tagaan kag taas pa nga katuigan. Yeah, I love you. Happy birthday.
Hey.
Happy birthday, Koy.
Mami, magod.
Koy.
Happy birthday, ate. Kagad may lawas. Ikan wala lagi kay muli kandi hindaan.
Ate, happy birthday. Ang tingkan mo na yung God bless of Europe.
Hey, so it's your birthday. Kay birthday man mo, happy birthday. So, akong wish ay mga kay Kuan. Wait lang, i-chat-GPT sana ako. Kuan. Dagan kayong salamat sa kanunay, sa pagpaluyo sa mga kanunay. Have a good health, of course, amping kanunay, o dagaan pa kag more blessings sa kat. Walang to kay nana ang bus. Happy birthday! We love you! Mwah!
Happy birthday. Ginatong ta ko tagaan ka sa lugway nga taas nga kinabuhi. O pagamping po diha, ma'am. I love you so much.
Hi, Ma'am. Happy birthday. Ang pinganunay dyan. Salamat sa support. God bless you.
Hi, P. Happy birthday. Wish na ko nga tagad pagtaas nga kinabuhi o amping kanunay diha. I love you, Horot.
Happy birthday, Day. Amping nga diha, Day. Ay. Hello, Day. Happy birthday. Pagkahila kong pagod.
Gila? Gila.
Kahila kong yung gugod.
Sige na yun.
Day, happy birthday. Amping-amping siya, Day, ha? Day, ampot na yung kanamay kang lawas. Magkasugakon kasi mong trabaho.
Ate. Yan, nagilak.
Kahila ko yung gulay. Wow, ka. Payaso ko kung mata, Day. Ano, Day. Pinga-pinga, Day, ha? Ano, sa ka man mapauli. Magkasugakon kasi mong trabaho. Happy birthday ni mo, Day. Birthday naman mo karon. Yung ko yung regalo ni mo, Day. Pasama yung regalo. Tingbo na ako ni kulit ni mo, Day. Na ako regalo, Day, ha? Happy birthday, Day.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Day. I love you. Day.
Happy birthday! Record na. O, sige na. Wow, Day! It's your day, Day! God make to you. Make it happy. Make it worth. Son, and wishing you all the best in your life. O, sige na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Adeline. God bless you. Okay, happy birthday, Day. Happy birthday, Ash. Many birthday. I hope gamay mong panglawas, tagaan pa kag kusog o labi na sa imuhang mga plano sa imong pamilya nga ayop labot ni si Kuan. May labot si Red. Tagaan pa kag mini birthday to kag amping kanunay.
Always.
Amping kanunay, Day. So, happy birthday, Ads.
Okay.
God bless. Money si Kuan, wala na ni si budget ka lang ni Gret.
Sige. Happy birthday.
May birthday, Tati.
Sige na, Tati.
Ipunta mo siya. Hina, birthday, Tati.
Birthday, Tati. Hina.
Kaya natay ice cream mo niya, cake. Happy birthday, Tati.
Swimming na.
Happy birthday, Tati. Happy birthday kay mag 7-Eleven. Timing guys, nagpansit mi dire. Kay mo ang birthday of long life. Long life.
presents. Kita mo, happy birthday day. Take care always niya.
Happy birthday, my dear Ate Ads. Wish you all the best and long life to live. Another year, another blessings. Enjoy!
Birthday, Dodge.
Ba, happy birthday, Dudes. I love you. Miss you.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. Amping diya sa imong gitrabahoan and God bless always and keep safe pirmi and ingat diha. God bless. Happy birthday usab ma'am. Bye.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. Amping permente. Salamat sa pakals.
Birthday ma'am, wish you a good health. Pag-amping diya ma'am, og salamat sa pagkaon. Nga, pila na edad niyo ma'am? Pag-amping diya ma'am, salamat, bye-bye!
Hi Insan, wishing you a happy birthday. Ang Ginoo kanunay magauban kanimo to protect and guide you always. Nasayod mi nga dili lalim ang naa sa layong dapit, pero kabalo mi nga gikaya nimo ang tanan tungod og alang sa imong pamilya. Laban ra jud ta always. Stay pretty and blessed kanunay. Ampo og amping kanunay. God bless.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Teacher Ads, kung si Ann Curtis, ang Ball of Sunshine ng Showtime. So, 49021 Sena Boulevard, Tampa, Florida.
Sa touchstone na.
Sa touchstone. Ikaw ang Ball of Sunshine na On a serious note, Teacher Ads, thank you for always making us happy. Masaya ang bahay dahil nandoon ka. And you are one of few na tao na nakilala namin na napaka down to earth. Laging masayahin. At tapos, we don't consider you as friend, but you are now our family here.
Iyak na yan.
Aww. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday! Hindi mo sabay-sabay.
Okay, ulit. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Enjoy!
Hi Mom Ads, happy birthday. Say hi.
Say hi.
Ads.
Clap your hands kay Ma'am Ads.
Yay.
Yay. Take a very good kay Ma'am Ads. Very kind and very sweet para sa among tutorial. And very great housemate diri sa amon sa Touchstone family. We wish you a happy and prosperous birthday, Ma'am Ads. Padayon lang sa pagiging maayo kag malipayon na tinugal ni Emre. Alright. Bye-bye. Enjoy.
Say bye.
See you soon. Abisala, Eshma.
Familiar ang place. Okay. Just want to greet you happy birthday, Ma'am Ads. Can't believe that it's been a year since we met. And I know you're such a resilient person, and I really admire that. I just want you to know that we're all grateful na apil ka sa among grupo and sa among circle of friends. And thank you for being a good mother to your daughter and a good friend to everyone. So I just wanted you to enjoy your birthday and mabuhay ka.
1, 2, 3. Smile, smile. Oh.
Go, Miss Fee!